What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. This one is about the importance of doing your own research because there's a lot of scammers out there and there's a lot of people who want to take your money. So this will be a quick video just walking you through some of the previous scams that have happened over the past couple months and weeks and how you can kind of protect yourself from that. So the first one, just overall Google, there are a bunch of scams out there. One of them that kind of stands out to me is Kim Kardashian. She was promoting a coin, and in her defense, she probably did not know any of the ramifications or much about cryptocurrency. She was probably just given a bunch of coins and told to, tweet something good about it. And she tweeted for a new coin. It's called Ethereum Max on her Instagram story, and she has about 228 million followers. So not to say that each one of those 228 million followers probably went out and bought some Ethereum Max, but who knows, maybe someone might have done that. And this is what happened right after that tweet. So she tweeted it out on this Sunday, June 13th, and then since then, whoever, had the keys to the castle or whoever had a lot of these Ethereum Max tokens or coins, probably the developers and the people who were inside on the scheme, they just unloaded all of their coins shortly thereafter. So you can see, not that the price was super high, but from pumps from celebrities, it just shot down, as you can see here, and it lost over half of its value real quick. And that is something, for a lot of people still recovering in the COVID economy, that means a lot. Even if it's just $100 or $200 there, kind of have to keep an eye out for those celebrity tweets. Another one, an example here is from Mark Cuban, as we know him from Shark Tank. He bought into something called Titan, and it's a cryptocurrency, and just reading a couple paragraphs here, it dropped from more than $60 to several thousandths of a cent in a space of a few hours. And when things sell off like this, a lot of people are kind of caught by surprise unless you're continuously watching your portfolio every second. It's easy to kind of miss something like that. So dropping to zero. Titan, he bought into it because it was a DeFi or decentralized finance token, which describes a variety of blockchain-based projects that cut out various middlemen in finance. Let's see. DeFi projects typically issue coins as a way to raise money, whereas in 2017, crypto startups raised capital via initial coin offerings. Now they do it via yield farming. So people can essentially get money and interest over time. So this is something that Mark Cuban kind of bought into, and it also caught him by surprise. Another example here, let's see, just looking at previous crypto scams. This one I found on The Verge on May 22nd, a crypto finance project called DeFi 100. It posted a message to everyone on this website, and they said, "We have scammed you guys. You can't do anything about it. Haha. All you moon boys have been scammed, and all you can't do crap about it." So this is coming from another decentralized finance project. And from my first couple videos that I've put on this page, I know one of the first things I did for each one of the coins that I did review is look at the white paper. And the white paper will lay out, the goals and plans for the coin and for the token. So if you read through the white paper and if you can kind of see that, the coin is pointless, that's one way to kind of save yourself from investing or putting money into these coins. Let's see, one last little thing is YouTube. And yes, I know you're on YouTube right now watching this, but there are a lot of YouTubers who get paid, kind of like Kim Kardashian, but they get paid to promote new coins. And even though they, just like Kim Kardashian, might not mean to be malicious with it, but whoever is paying them to do a paid promotion, might pull the rug or sell all of their coins, in turn making the price shoot down drastically. So keep an eye out for the paid promotions on YouTube. And then lastly, here's what the FTC, I know we all love the Fed government, but the Federal Trade Commission has to say about crypto. Let's see. You know, they say it's the wild, wild west, of course. They're not huge fans of crypto. Many people have reported being lured to websites that look like opportunities for investing in or mining cryptocurrency, but they are bogus. Let's see, what else do they have to say? They're giveaway scams, supposedly sponsored by celebrities or other known figures in the cryptocurrency space. And kind of just like the Kim Kardashian example, another example they gave here was people have reportedly sent more than $2 million in cryptocurrency to Elon Musk impersonators over the past 6 months. So another thing is scammers even use online dating, so keep an eye out for that if you're single, ready to mingle. People from ages 20 to 49 were 5 times more likely to get caught doing this. And the FTC, they say here are things to know to play it safer when it comes to cryptocurrency. Let's see, promises of guaranteed huge returns or claims that your cryptocurrency will be multiplied are always scams. The cryptocurrency itself is the investment. You make money if you're lucky enough to sell for more than you paid, period. Don't trust people who say they know a better way. And that's definitely the FTC, federal government's distrusting crypto, but it is what it is. If a caller, love interest, organization, or anyone else insists on cryptocurrency, you can bet it's a scam. So those are some words of advice from the FTC. Other than that, stay safe out there. If you guys have any other videos, feel free to comment below on what you would like to hear. Other than that, we will see you next time.